alert has been declared. Repeating, an amber alert has been declared. The Allen County Sheriff is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Liliana Hernandez is a 7-year-old white female, 3 feet 4 inches tall with long brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black nightgown. Renee Pastor is a 6-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, short brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing black shorts. The children were last seen at 6:21 a.m. in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. Allen County Sheriff believes the children were likely abducted by their non-custodial mother, Amber Pastor, a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 250 pounds, with long blonde hair. Suspect vehicle is a Mercury Mystique, tan in color. If you have any information on these children, contact the Allen County Sheriff at 260-449-7661.
Kid was the GoAnimator. He was kidnapped 12:06 p.m. CDT. So, what's your decision?
Well, I was gonna make a new video, and I saw a random stranger in V8 that I will go to Chuck E. Cheese's with him, but the kidnapper failed to kill me.
Thanks for your decision. Thanks for watching DW Broadcast.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern Vigo County until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Denison, or 7 miles west of Terre Haute, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near West Terre Haute around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Indiana State University around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Terre Haute and North Terre Haute around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sellaville around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fontenette around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 1 and 16. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Vigo, Indiana,